All right, let's jump right in. Today, we're breaking down the truly fascinating science behind the ToxiTress Botanical hair care system. What we're looking at here isn't just some random list of ingredients, it's a literal masterclass in formulation. We're going to explore exactly how ToxiTress takes this really dense, highly functional botanical index and transforms it into a logical, step-by-step sensory ritual. If you've ever wondered what it actually takes to truly prep a scalp for professional styling, you're absolutely in the right place. Welcome to The Explainer. So here's our roadmap. Think of this as the chronological treatment menu of a premium hair appointment. We'll start with the scalp reset philosophy, then hit deep cleansing and detox, move into soothing botanical hydration, followed by nourishing barrier protection, and finally, we'll wrap up with the functional backbone and sensory finish. So the crucial point is really captured in this core brand motto: reset the scalp before the install. When we're talking about an install, extensions, weaves, or any protective style, we have to remember that a perfect exterior absolutely requires a pristine foundation. If you accidentally trap buildup or an unbalanced pH or irritation under a protective style, you're literally setting the stage for damage. Everything we discussed today is built entirely around achieving this flawless baseline reset.
Section 1. The Scalp Reset Philosophy, Preparing the Canvas.
Section 2, Phase 1, the teardown, deep cleansing and detox. To use a construction metaphor here, before you can build a beautiful, lasting structure, you first have to clear the plot of land. You can't just build over debris. The scalp has to be completely leveled out and prepped. And that brings us to the deep cleansing and detox phase, which is powered by the heavy-hitting extract mineral cleanse. Now, what's really interesting about this slide is how these ingredients act as a synergized team. First up, activated charcoal acts like a magnet, lifting deep-seated impurities straight out of the follicles. Then, bentonite clay steps in to absorb heavy oils and that stubborn surface buildup that regular shampoo just kind of misses. Finally, sodium bicarbonate neutralizes the scalp environment. It creates a perfectly balanced, clean foundation that is totally free of acidic residues. But what if your scalp is sensitive? Well, look at this contrast. The formulation intelligently balances its own power. Bentonite clay provides that really aggressive, deep cleaning power for the most stubborn buildup, right? But the system also utilizes kaolin clay alongside it. Kaolin offers a much more gentle, refreshing sweep that detoxes without causing irritation. By putting these two together, the product ensures that a deep clean doesn't have to mean an aggravated scalp. Okay, so once that plot of land is cleared of debris, it can naturally feel just a bit raw. That's where the Restore Botanical pH Reset Complex jumps in. It's an infusion powder that provides immediate relief. You've got green tea extract delivering a layer of essential antioxidant support to protect the fresh skin. You have chamomile extract, famous for its calming properties, which is an absolute lifesaver for irritated scalps. And tying the whole shebang together is acetic acid from apple cider vinegar powder, perfectly restoring the scalp's natural pH balance after that heavy-duty deep clean. Section 3, Phase 2, the Calm, Soothing Botanical Hydration. Now we're laying the hydrating foundation with a quick reset scalp spray, which brings us to a major pitfall in standard scalp care. Standard alcohol-based astringents are often incredibly harsh and drying, but ToxiTress specifically uses an alcohol-free witch hazel, and this brilliantly illustrates why choosing an alcohol-free toner is so absolutely vital. You get all the refreshing, skin-toning benefits, but without stripping away the essential moisture. It keeps that clean feeling alive without destroying the scalp's delicate barrier. Working right alongside that witch hazel is aloe vera juice. This actually serves as the common hydrating base across their sprays. It doesn't just deliver essential hydration, it provides this immediate cooling comfort. Listen, if you're going to put tension on the hair with a protective style, maintaining a hydrated, calm scalp is not a luxury. It is an absolute necessity to prevent flaking and itching over the weeks to come. We can't really talk about optimal environments without talking about this powerhouse, rosemary extract. Think of this as the vital circulation catalyst. Encouraging blood flow to the scalp is absolutely essential for revitalizing those follicles before an install. It's like a wake-up call for dormant follicles. When blood circulates efficiently, it brings oxygen and nutrients right to the root, supporting deep, fundamental hair health. Section 4, Phase 3, the Fortification, Nourishing Barrier Protection. We've cleaned the scalp, we've calmed it, and now we're building a nutrient-dense barrier with the Edge Repair Pen and its Follicle Recovery Complex. This is totally critical because the scalp and hair edges need profound nourishment to withstand the tension of braids, weaves, and extensions. Look at these building blocks. Pumpkin seed oil is packed with nourishing fatty acids. Green coffee bean oil steps in to support targeted rejuvenation. And castor oil, a legendary ingredient in hair care, is there to physically strengthen the strands and support the recovery of delicate, stressed areas. Similarly, in the PURIFY oil elixir, we see the botanical antioxidant complex at work. Argan oil beautifully softens and conditions the hair, giving it that silky texture we all love. But importantly, vitamin E acts as a powerful antioxidant. It provides that vital final layer of defense, ensuring long-term resilience by protecting the scalp barrier from environmental stressors while the hair is tucked away.
Section 5, Phase 4, the sensory finish, scent and stability.
This is the chronological endpoint of our ritual, where functional chemistry meets luxury aromatics in products like the Velvet Clean Mist. Let's move to and see how this builds a stable product behind the scenes. These stabilizers are the unsung functional heroes. Without them, the magic just doesn't happen. Glycerin grabs onto moisture, keeping the scalp hydrated. Polysorbate 20 is the brilliant bridge that forces the botanical oils to seamlessly blend with the water-based components. And finally, the phenoxyethanol and ethylhexylglycerin duo is a rigorous preservative system that ensures these rich formulas stay fresh and safe from the first spritz to the very last. With the formula completely stabilized, the brand layers in what they call their 4 aromatic pillars. This is pure sensory indulgence. You have orange oil adding a bright, zesty note. Lavender oil drops in a calming aroma that just screams cleanliness. Vanilla oil rounds it out with a hint of inviting warmth. And anchoring it all is sandalwood oil, which provides a rich, deep, luxury scent profile. Together, these oils synergize to leave the hair smelling incredibly refined. This defines the true luxury sensory experience. The underlying science is incredibly serious. We're talking about activated charcoal, targeted pH resets, and barrier fortification. But the application? The application is purposely designed to be an upscale indulgence. The user shouldn't just feel like they're doing basic scalp maintenance. Actually, scratch that. They should feel like they're stepping straight out of a premium high-end salon. And that brings us full circle right back to our anchor. Reset the scalp before the install. Whether it's the deep mineral detox, the soothing aloe hydration, the rich pumpkin seed nourishment, or the elegant sandalwood finish, every single botanical and functional ingredient we just explored serves this one ultimate mission. So I want to leave you with this thought. Your protective style might look absolutely flawless on the outside, but have you truly reset the foundation underneath? Because as we've seen throughout this explainer, the health of the hair you can't see completely dictates the longevity and beauty of the hair you can. Thank you so much for joining me today. Until next time, keep learning, keep asking questions, and always start with a clean foundation.